Okay, again, us here at the San Pedro Trolley, we're now going to Convention Center, and this is my super idiot friend on it. Yeah. Inside the trolley of San Diego, and this is my good friend Bentley tying shoe. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Inside the trolley with me, the Macho Mike. Okay, we're now going to our convention in San Diego Convention Center. Okay. So this is the view around the trolley. Oh, there are the harbor cruises there. See? Those are the stops. That is where the cruise ships dock here in San Diego bound for Mexico and other parts of California and also Alaska. Okay? So again, this is in the San Diego Trolley Station. Okay? Seaport Village. Pwede pala tayo namin bumaba dito sa Seaport Village mag-picture, ano? Katabi lang, oh. Diba? Maganda pala itong trolley, oh. Pwede tayo bumaba sa Seaport Village mag-picture, oh.
Pero kung gusto magpalit na tayo ng damit mamaya,
Hindi, ito na suot natin, eh. Sarap pagbalik, magkakaano pa tayo, eh. Ano, tawag dito, maglalaba pa kami. Oh, yeah, this is good. That's a city barbecue. This is one of the institutions here in the Seaport Village area of San Diego. So this is around the Seaport Village. Okay, we're now going to the next station. Again, the Macho Mike. Here at wait. So this is a pan around Seaport Village. Okay, and we're near Convention Center, just one station away. We will now be dropping off. Okay. Our final destination is the Convention Center.
Next station, Convention Center.
Bilis, ano?
Convention Center.
There's the Marriott.
that's right.
There, that's a convention center. Tatawid tayo kalye. So this is the
Gaslamp Quarter is next.
convention center. Okay, signing out.